how you can make your first 350 US dollars net profit per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, as you watch this video, what you need is your PC or laptop, Wi-Fi connection, right? And the right landing page and niche. So I would suggest you, as you watch this video, you have heard lots of gurus on Clickbank talking about picking profitable evergreen niches, and that's all fine and good until it doesn't work, right? So you have to understand, when you're picking out the niche, you can go into dating, in a relationship, you can go wealth, financial space, you can go solar, hobby niches, weight loss, health and wellness, right? All these niches are evergreen niches. But you have to understand there are also subcategorical niches. What do I mean by that? You see, in, let's say, just supplement and weight loss space, you can go into subcategories of diabetes, back pain, dental, teeth whitening, right? And then you have keto diet, weight gain, like bodybuilding, fitness. So you have so many different spaces in wealth, in health and wellness space, right? Then you have in personal health, self-help, personal growth, personal development, whatever you want to call it, manifestation, law of attraction niche, right? It works really, really well nowadays with Facebook ads or Google ads, right? Why it works well, as you can see, just go on Google, Tony Robbins self-help educational niche is $1 billion, $5 billion per year niche, and growing in 2024, going in 2025, right? So there are niches that you can make a lot of money in. And what is the most important thing when it comes to setting up your landing page on WordPress or blog on ClickFunnels is that no guru is sharing the secret, which is this. We have low emotional states and a high emotional states audience. There are people who are going to watch video sales that are on Clickbank for 50 minutes or 1 hour. And there are people who have a low attention span. And those are people who are in high emotional states. They are already aware they have a problem, so they just want to buy something. They want to buy a solution, right? You don't need to convince them, persuade them, do any tricks on them, because they already know what they need, a solution to their pain and problems. Then you have people who don't know they have a problem, who are obese, fat, overweight, and they don't know in their brain they need help. So that's why they need the story, emotional storytelling and stuff like that in ad copy. So the way you sell or promote product on Clickbank to males and females, it's different. It's not the same. Okay, it's not the same. So language patterns for females is different, and language pattern for males is different. Very important distinction. Again, it's not your fault. If you have been running ads and you're wondering why the heck can you not make at least $500 a day in profit, then this is the answer why. Have you ever tried to change the language patterns when you're promoting to males and females? Have you? Have you ever thought about including 5 pre-sale points on your landing page before even activating your ad? Again, this can be all done for you, right? But you need to have someone who can help you and guide you along the way, step by step, so you can get the results, right? So you can actually have someone who can connect on the Zoom to show you one-on-one exactly how things are done. I mean, ask yourself, what would your life be like if you could make at least extra $1,000 a week or $3,000 per week or more? Would it be worth to have someone helping you along the way? How much money would be worth investing in that person to help you get this kind of results, right? Because competition is great things. Most of people think competition is bad. It's not true, it's good. Why? Because more people running ads, it means more we are making people, the market, aware of existence of the products. Right? More people spend millions of dollars on ads, more they're opening the markets around the world, right? So that's why competition is a very good thing. It means there is a huge money in that niche. That's why there is a big competition, and competition is opening of the marketplace, right? So that's good for me and you. So it's a win-win situation, right? So as you watch this video, if you want to get results with Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2012, 2022, 24 and 25, then you can install this method right now as you watch this video and have someone personally help you along the way. So if you want to have more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can connect with me one-on-one. I have my WhatsApp in the bio. Just go below my video, okay? Below this video you'll find my WhatsApp, my Instagram, my Facebook, my email. Everything is in the description below. You can even comment if you cannot find the link, okay?